Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Aaron. Welcome back to another video, and today we are looking at the 1More Comfobuds Pro. These are active noise cancelling earbuds that retail for $100 US. At this price, they look pretty good in terms of specs and features. 6 hours of battery in the earbuds and an extra 14 hours in the case, IPX4 water resistance, tap controls, 3 different levels of noise cancelling, which includes a strong, mild, and a wind noise reduction mode, ambient sound pass-through, auto pause play wear detection, and an app that lets you customize the earbuds controls and get software updates. These are AirPods style earbuds, but they are a bit larger than the AirPods Pro. They do seem to sit better in my ears, as in they don't shift around as easily, so they do provide good noise isolation. But what about noise cancelling performance and other factors like sound quality, phone call quality, and Bluetooth audio latency? As a benchmark, we're going to compare them to the Bose QC earbuds, because though the Bose QC earbuds they cost 3 times the price of the 1Mores, these are the best when it comes to phone call quality and noise cancelling performance. The Comfobuds Pro were tuned by Grammy Award-winning sound engineer Luca Bignardi, and they do sound pretty great for their price. According to 1More's website, it says each earbud has a 13.4mm titanium composite dynamic driver that delivers an authentic and balanced sound. Hear the finest details as if you were in a concert. Now, I agree that it does give a concert-like feel to your sound because there seems to be a layer of reverb applied to the mids and highs. This gives its sound quality a glowy feeling and makes the soundstaging sound a bit more open. It's not the type of soundstaging you typically get from earbuds, which tend to sound more enclosed. At times, they can sound a little sibilant in the highs, but it's not enough to bother me. It still retains good emphasis in the mid-range, but in terms of bass performance, I will not recommend these for bass hits because they don't hit very low and they don't have a lot of punch in the upper bass range. Apart from that, they do sound pretty great for their price. Now we're going to test its phone call quality. To do this, I'm going to play some very loud background noise to simulate making a phone call in a noisy cafe, and I'm going to record a voice memo on my phone using the Comfobuds Pro. Like I said before, we're going to use the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds as our benchmark. Background noise, 1More Comfobuds Pro, record. I'm now making a phone call in a noisy place using the 1More Comfobuds Pro. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. That the fox drag the dog to the farmer's house and grab themselves a nice cold beer. Background noise, Bose QC earbuds, record. I'm now making a phone call in a noisy place using the Bose QC earbuds. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Then the fox drag the dog to the farmer's house and grab themselves a nice cold beer. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Then the fox drag the dog to the farmer's house and grab themselves a nice cold beer. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Then the fox drag the dog to the farmer's house and grab themselves a nice cold beer. So I think the Comfobuds Pro did very well in terms of phone call quality. Its background noise cancelling was very good, and they did amplify my voice louder than the QC earbuds. However, my voice also sounded a bit more muffled than the QC earbuds. The QC earbuds also had better background noise cancelling, but of course, bear in mind that this costs 3 times more. So for the price of $100, I think the ComfoBuds Pro's phone call quality is quite exceptional. Now let's move on to the noise cancelling test. For the noise cancelling test, let's see how they perform using the same background noise as before. So the ComfoBuds Pro did pretty well in terms of ANC, as in it cancelled quite a lot of that low frequency noise and muffled a bit of that mid-range noise. It may not be as silent as the QC earbuds, but these are, after all, top of the line noise cancellers that cost 3 times more. So if we factor in the cost difference, the ComfoBuds ANC is quite reasonable and quite acceptable for its price. Now we're going to look at how much Bluetooth audio lag the ComfoBuds Pro has when playing video games and watching videos on both Apple and Android devices. The Apple device that I'm going to use is the iPhone SE 2020. For Android, I'm going to use the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. First, the gaming audio lag test. As a reference point, let's see what the internal latency looks like on the iPhone SE. This is audio straight from the iPhone speaker, so here it is. Now the ComfoBuds Pro, then the Bose QC earbuds, and then we'll repeat the same test on the S21 Ultra. This is where the ComfoBuds Pro shines brighter than the QC earbuds. On iOS devices, you will get much less lag on the ComfoBuds. That's good, but on Android, the ComfoBuds are only a little better. Not enough to tell the difference without slowing the video down like I did. I mean, it would have been great if the ComfoBuds had a latency reduction mode for gaming like the Earphone 3 Pros and the JBL Live 3 NC Plus. Maybe this is something we can expect from 1More in a future version of the ComfoBuds Pro. We'll have to see. For watching videos on your phone using apps like YouTube or Netflix, you're not gonna get much or any lag at all because these apps have their own latency correction built in, reducing the lag by delaying the video so that it synchronizes better with the audio, like so. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me, Aaron, and today we are going to talk about something that I often cover in my reviews, which is Bluetooth audio lag when gaming or sometimes when watching videos. I've done a few videos like this before, but this one's the most updated one with new information. Now, why exactly do wireless Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me, Aaron, and today we are going to talk about something that I often cover in my reviews, which is Bluetooth audio lag when gaming or sometimes when watching videos. I've done a few videos like this before, but this one's the most updated one with new information. Now, why exactly do wireless headphones Overall, I feel that these earbuds have a lot to offer at this price point. Its noise cancelling is pretty effective, it's got decent battery life, it's got that 1More app that offers some customization, and it's also got good sound quality. It also has a comfortable fit that sits the earbuds in the conch of your ears like the AirPods Pro, but feels a bit more snug and stable. These can be used for light workouts, but I will not use these for anything more intensive because they don't have stability fins. So perhaps in the next version of the Comfobuds Pro, 1More should include some stability fins so that you can use these for more intensive workouts. Also, wireless charging. Other brands are offering wireless charging with products at this price or lower. So if they can build wireless charging into the next version, the Comfobuds Pro will become a much more compelling product. Either way, these are very decent earbuds indeed. Definitely worth checking these out. The 1More Comfobuds Pro, $100 US. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please show that you like this video by smashing that like button and sharing this video with your friends and family. That will really help me beat YouTube's brutal algorithm. And if you'd like to see more content from this channel, more reviews, comparisons, and tutorials, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. A big shout out to my Lawless gang who supports this channel by contributing $1 or more per month through the crowdfunding website Patreon. By supporting my work on Patreon like these guys, not only can you help keep this show going, you gain rewards like a personalized thank you video that is yours to keep forever, exclusive live streams, and special access to my patrons only channel on Discord. And at the highest tier level, you can even get free merch. So please join me on Patreon if you'd like to support my work. Link is in my description box. Once again, thanks for watching. Do widzenia, bratyski.